Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Studio Sixels. So today I gonna try to teach you how to make simple compositions yet cinematic. So today I have created my video with just simple three things, that is light, shadow and water. You will notice in my whole video that I have tried to put the subject in the middle or in the front and used a huge light source from the back, creating a contrast between light and shadows, which is a easy method to make your shots and footages look hell as cinematic. Adding to that, we have done some good color grading and some keycast transitions to make the video look exceptionally good and better. So let's dive in and watch the output.
Okay, let's go.
When the sun goes down, I hit the town, feeling the rhythm, my body's like a crown. Caribbean women, they got that fire, shaking their hips, taking me higher. From Kingston to Montego Bay, the island vibes make my troubles melt away. Dance all beats, pumping through the speakers. Caribbean women, they're the ultimate freakers. Caribbean women, they got that spice, dancing all night, feeling so nice. Island queens turning heads when they walk. Caribbean women, you're the talk of the block.